In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop down to your main menu on your Squarespace website. It is very simple, so let's get right to it. Assuming you're logged in, let's go to Pages. I'll move my face over here so we can work over here on the Pages sidebar. Now, if you want it to be up here in your main menu, which I'm assuming you do, we're going to need to work under this main navigation section here. All you have to do is click this plus icon, and we're going to select, again, let me move my face. We're going to find folder, a drop down. Sometimes it's called folder, drop down, whatever it is for you. New drop down, and I'm going to call it, let's say, about. And then I'm going to put home at the top again. It always adds something new at the very top, which is usually not helpful. Anyways, to add pages to your dropdown, you can see it's not dropping down when I hover over it right now because there's nothing in it. So let's hit add a page, and I'm going to say about the studio. And there we can have a page there. If I do another page, let's say I want to put in a link. So let's add in a link to, see, where should we link to? Somewhere external, let's say about the owner, and I'm going to link to my own website and make sure that opens out in a new tab, and let's hit save. Okay, so now if I go back to, just click home to refresh everything. If I hover over about, up here you can see about the studio. If I click on that, it takes me to my new blank page. If I hover over and click about the owner, it's going to open catherineforbes.com in a brand new tab. So that is how you create a really simple drop down in your Squarespace site. Another way that you can use this that I've done before would be for your blog. So maybe you have a bunch of categories in your blog and you want to separate those out. So maybe you have up here, I do blog here, then you could do add page and do a link. I don't have a blog on this site, so I can't add actually a link to a category, but you could actually link to just like the category URL. You could also do this for your products. If you have a bunch of products and you want to sort by like the category of your products, you could do that here as well. So there's a variety of things that you can do. If you just click add page to your dropdown, you can see you can add course, videos, events. You can customize it however you'd like, but all you have to do to get started is click that plus button, add the drop down, and then fill it with whatever you like. And just make sure it's in that main navigation section, and it will be added up here to your main navigation. Like I said, super simple. I hope this gets you started and on your way with your own drop down. I think the next video that would be really helpful for you to watch as far as just like getting people to your site and to your pages is how to generate a QR code for these pages. So if you want to generate a QR code for example, your About the Studio page, I will show you how to do that in this video linked up right here.